Hello to all. Welcome to Global Offensive Hacker Associate community. I am Harshad, founder and CEO of Hacker Associate and a Black Hat hacker. In this particular section, we are going to learn about one script called DDoSify. So let's jump directly into the practical. So let me start my presentation and I'll teach you some good methods for load testing. So this is the part of my advanced web application pen testing. We call is called hacker futuristic attack, secure the planet vision. So generally I'm focusing on next generation attack, but right now I'm not talking on that part. I'm just simple going to discuss on DDoSify script. So let me just go there. So let's start the presentation. So we are talking about multi-location based load testing, and we call as an high performance load testing and DDoS attack simulation. So what is all about? So load test should be done regularly to avoid being caught unprepared with DDoSify. Find out the maximum service capacity of your web system, test your web system against DDoS attack, and start the test either instantly or for a future date, and define your periodic load test. So what we want to do is I want to test certain application. Example, let's say like in 10 second I'll send suppose 1000 connection, 5000 connection, 15,000 connection, and understand the load for the particular application. So this will be very helpful for us. For example, let's say if someone is implementing DOS attack to your application, or maybe a group of people, they are trying to performing a DDoS attack on the application. So how to test it out this thing in your environment. So these are all about for this particular section. So I'll give you some like commands. You simple check from the presentation, you simple download that particular script, and simple straightforward you run it. So how to use it, let me guide you. So now like I keep in my mind, like maybe you are using a Windows system or Linux or Mac system. So these are the commands you can use it. For example, let's say if you are a Windows user, you can run docker command anywhere. By the way, if you have installed docker in Windows machine. If you are a Mac user, then follow the second command like brew install DDoSify tab DDoSify. And if you know Go language, and if you have installed the Go part in your system, then you can go with the third command. Otherwise, if you are a Linux user like Kali or Ubuntu, straightforward you can use fourth command, and as it is you copy it, and as it is you paste it on your terminal, and automatically this command will going to set up this script called DDoSify. So let's begin. So in my case, I'm going to test certain application. So you can see this is the basically the command which I'm using. You call DDoSify and the T for target, and then any application. So you can test other application. Don't use that Harsh.com, because this is just a test application I have taken. It's a random, just like abc.com, xyz.com, like that. And remember, test your application only. Don't touch any other public server. I'm not responsible for that part. It's just simple. I'm guiding you how to use this particular script called DDoSify. So let's begin with this part. So example, let's say this is my terminal, this is my Mac terminal, and let me type DDoSify and T for target, and I'll take some application example. Let's say test php.somevulnerable.web.com. I'm not going to shut down this application. I'm simple just showing you how to use this command, and you can clearly see it is starting and successful run. And let's see what happened to this application. So you can see clearly it is called failed run 24. And you can see failed count 100 and success count 0. So let me just switch this application to other application. So I'll take some other application called example, let's say offensive sniffing.com, enter. And here you can see clearly I don't have any issues regarding to this application, and a simple target I specified, and you can clearly see this in this 100 seconds success count 100 and the failed count 0. So we successfully tested that application. Now further you want to explore this script, then you can go with the help command DDoSify -h, and here are this particular syntax are available here. Example, let's say H for value, D for that particular test duration in second, and this we are going to specify in our next command, and t which we have used for the target. So I think if you see that t part, which is basically called string and the target URL. So now go to the next section. So if you go here, this is my favorite command. So specify this one. So you can say D10 and N100. So if you go again to that help one, so D100, D means test duration in second. So in 10 second, I want to send a request which is basically called N, which is basically total request count. So let's specify D-Dosify and T for the target. I'll just specify any other application. So offensive, don't try on this application. Okay, this is the public application. So you can touch the application which is in your scope. Okay, don't try any other public domain. Okay, so this is the target, and now I will specify D, which is basically in seconds, and number of requests, which is example, let's say 1000. Okay, you can increase this one and you can test the load accordingly. Let's press enter and check out. So you can clearly see now this is perfectly working and I don't have any failed run. So that's how, okay, you use this script called ddosify, and this is the awesome script, okay, which I found, and you can also use this script for your testing purpose. I hope this video is informative for you. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day ahead and see you soon in the next episode.